Alright guys, supplemental follow-up video of the first one. Points of concern to look for on your Firecat. First one's going to be your idler wheels. So this one's got 5,000 miles on it. These things are not good. So not seized, but definitely not freewheeling. So these are all going to get replaced. Some are a little better than others. This one here is pretty well toast. This rear wheel, about shot. This one's not so bad. If you got them looking like that, that's not too far out. Unless they're brand new, then they might be a little less smooth than that, but that's a good thing, especially when they're new. Another point, egged out holes in the rear skid frame, or in the main frame assembly. So basically, if you can see any holes where these bolts are, where it's oblong, no bueno. So I'm guessing that's what's going on here. Looks like a previous owner might have done a homemade fix here. Guessing once we take this out, it's going to be egg-shaped. And then up in here, where your front skid attaches into the tunnel, you're going to have bushings in here in your pin. Grab that. So like, for example, this one, I want to get it in here. This one didn't have any grease in it when I took it out. So you can see here, see if we can get a better angle. A lot of tolerance there. It's not good. So we'll be replacing the gold bushings there, as well as these sleeves. So we'll get new hardware for that. Make this thing a little tighter, make it a little more true. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. And then one thing I missed in the first video, this skid is out of a 2003 F7. And this is a Firecat edition, one of the limited graphics packages. And it's a standard, F7 EFI standard. So it has a smaller lug track, a little bit more supple suspension to it, no piggyback shocks, slightly lighter weight, etc. And if you believe the internet on the forums, apparently this is one of 398 machines made in this configuration, in this graphics package. So, alright, more to come. Thanks, guys.